Hi, my name is Morgan Ricci, and today I will be demonstrating the straw kazoo for you guys. And so to make one, you're going to start off with plastic straw and a pair of scissors. And what you want to do is squeeze a part of the straw, one end of it like this, so it looks kind of like that. And then you're going to take your scissors and just cut off each corner of the straw on that one end that you squished, so you get something kind of like this. And you're going to kind of squeeze it while you blow into it, and you're going to have a kazoo like this. Simple. And so what I have here is I'm going to show how the length of the straw affects the pitch of the kazoo. So while I'm blowing into it, I will be cutting it and you will hear the change in the pitch. Like that. And so what I have here today for my experiment is I marked this straw to be 3/4 of the length, half the length, and then 1/4 of the length. And so doing the same thing as I said before, squish that end, and then you're going to take your scissors, cut off each corner like so. And again, I will be cutting it while blowing into it to show the change in pitch. Like that. And so once more, I have the 3 lengths cut up here, and so this is the 1/4 of it, this is the full length one, this is the 3/4 one, and this is the half of the length. And so here's what the 3/4 one sounds like. Not the best, but it's the highest one. Then this is the half one. And then you have the 3/4 one. And then you have the full length one. Like such. Thank you.